Assalamualaikum. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guess what? Where am I? I'm in Singapore. Jadi aku lagi ada di Singapore. Dan tentunya aku nginep di Mandarin Orchard in Orchard Road. This is just nearby the Orchard Road. Ini benar-benar sebelahnya banget sama Orchard Road. Then guess what? Guess what I bought? I bought squishy. I buy squishy. I buy so many squishy. And guess what? What I'm gonna do is yay! Okay guys, I'm going to showing you all of my squishy that I just buy in Singapore. Okay, the first squishy that I buy is this Kuma squishy. This Kuma squishy. Even that was Kuma was polarizing too. And then here's the tag. Here we go, tag. The next squishy that I buy is this Royal Soft. This Royal Soft squishy. It was super squishy. The next squishy that I bought is this Kuma cupcake. It is super squishy and polarizing too. Metallic, kind of like a metallic. And then here go the tag. Here you go the tag. The next squishy that I bought is this long bread squishy or bread flavor squishy. It was super squishy and a little bit slower than I thought. So, and then the next squishy that I bought is, I buy like so many Cafe Dien, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I buy 5 Cafe Dien. And here's the first Cafe Dien that I just buy. This one, the blue macaron. This is super duper squishy and polarizing. And then there's a Cafe Dien sticker. And here goes the tag, Cafe Dien tag. Cafe Dien. So there's 5 squishy that I just saw you. And then the next squishy that I buy is this choco eclair. It was super squishy and sliding too. Okay, I will show you. Okay, that was super squishy. And then the next one is the Cafe Dien chocolate eclair too. The choco eclair. Okay. Here we go. The squishiness. This squishy. And then the next one is this mini strawberry Cafe Dien. With that tag, this tag is kind of like defect. I don't care, but I just need the squishy. Here you go, the sticker of the squishy, and then there's the strawberry. It was super squishy. It was super squishy, oh my god. That was so awesome. Like, it's more slower than the iBlue. So yeah, the next one is the Cafe Dien cake roll, the chocolate cake roll Cafe Dien. Super squishy. you go, the tag. The next one, I buy this mini bun. It's a super soft mini stem bun. Ornikuman in Japanese. Just one of the many original high-quality squishy items from Kitty Creative. www.squishyshop.com. This is not a toy. Don't eat. Okay, this is not a toy. So what is this? It was super squishy. Super squishy. I want to take it out. I want to check and take it out. Super duper soft. Oh my god. Oh no, it's dirty. Kind of like dirty. It smells like a little bit like, is it Cutie Creative? Can you see that? It's Cutie Creative. And it's super soft. Oh my god. It smells so awesome. This is so awesome. This is super duper squishy. Super duper squishy. Super duper squishy. Get up squishy this. Get up squishy this. Get up squishy this. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to put it inside the packaging. Okay, I've been putting inside the packaging. You know what I'm looking at. Packaging now. The next one, I have this. Wait, sorry. I have this mochi seal. Mochi seal. Okay, because actually I don't want to open this, but this is for you guys. I need to open this up. Okay, where's the battery? Wait a sec. I'm just going to open this up for you guys. For you. Only for you. Only for you. I want to open this. Okay, here you go. The squishy for what you want to put it in. So here you go, the squishy. There is the squishy. The Mother Garden squishy. It smells really like a strawberry. Super duper squishy. Oh my god. It smells like a strawberry, so yeah. And then sorry, it's gonna be chit chat. Okay. Don't care about the sound. Sorry, I a little bit flu. I got a little bit sick, but don't worry about me. Who cares about me? And then I'm going to put it back. I'm going to show you if I've been putting it on. Okay, I've been putting this again, like the normal one. Just like before. The next one is the, so I buy, 3 eye bloom in here. But I don't know, is this eye bloom or not? If you think this is eye bloom, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And here we go. This is the Super Jumbo Strawberry Squishy. Do not eat for limited edition. So just squeeze it up, and then there's the tag. There's the tag, and a gold. I'm going to squeeze it. super squishy. Okay, I will. And then the next one is, okay, wait a second. Okay, I'm back. And okay, the first iPhone that I bought is this hamster. Squishy Japan. It says iPhone. I don't know where it say iPhone. I didn't see anything that says iPhone. I want to check just please. Okay. Okay. The next one is this iPhone banana. Chocolate banana. I'm going to squeeze them. Squeezing them. Super squishy. The next one is this iPhone gold bar. Squishy. Super soft. I want to take this off. So take this off. Let's open them. Oh my god, this kind of like sticking in here. Right there, it's sticking in here. Okay. Let's put it inside here. They're super duper soft. Okay. I see the bloom. Squishy. This is the last squishy that I bought. And in Singapore, I bought it in Soy Outpost. Near the left from the Simply Toys. There you go. Soy Outpost. There's the both toys. They're like being worn together. So they like in the left and the right. But in Plaza Singapore and the upper one, like the top of the mall. So I'm going to, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, give this video a big thumbs up, don't forget to like, and then comment down below. And the next one is going to be in this description box. Down below. And then don't forget to subscribe this video. Subscribe this channel. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this squishy video. This buying like haul squishy video. Oh, squishy. So all of them like my favorite. I have my favorite in here. My favorite is all of the Cafe DN and this squishy. This squishy is first of favorite because this is the last stock they have. Like they wouldn't have it anymore because they say only like if there's like any, because I asked to take this red one. I asked them if there any of this squishy, but they say no. So no. So yeah. So I didn't take them again. Like So yeah. I didn't want to take them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, as I've been telling that before. And see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to give this squishy a thumbs up. Bye bye guys. Love you so much.